Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install PostgreSQL 17.2 on Oracle Linux 9. Open any web browser. The process is same on all Oracle Linux 9 versions. Go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. See, PostgreSQL is the world's most advanced open source relational database. You can download, select Linux, then click on Red Hat, Rocky or Alma Linux. See, the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on RHEL, Rocky Linux, Alma Linux, CentOS, Oracle Linux and Fedora. Okay, now select the version 17. Select the platform RHEL, Rocky, Alma or Oracle Linux, Oracle version 9. Select it and see, these are the commands to be executed to install PostgreSQL 17.2 on Oracle Linux. So copy these commands one by one. Open terminal, paste it, hit enter. Done. Now disable the built-in PostgreSQL modules. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Ctrl L. Now install PostgreSQL 17. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 17-server. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17.2 and it is also going to install these two dependencies. Okay, type Y for confirmation and hit enter. Again Y and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL 17.2. The first step after installation, we have to install the database. So copy this command and paste here, hit enter. Now verify the status of PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL-17.service. Hit enter. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server, but it is not started and disabled. So we have to enable and we have to start the PostgreSQL service. Ctrl L, sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now start the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL-17.service. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service is running and it is enabled. Q to quit. And also see here, this is the data directory. And these are the backend processes for the PostgreSQL server on Oracle Linux 9. Okay, Ctrl N. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, this is the PSQL version, not the PostgreSQL server version. So verify the PostgreSQL server version by running the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.2. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So verify list of users. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, and it is super user. It is type of alter user Postgres with password. Provide the password, semicolon at the end. We have successfully set the password. Ctrl L. Now verify list of databases. \L is the command to verify list of databases. See, these are the three databases comes with installation of PostgreSQL 17.2 on Oracle Linux. Now if you want to create database, just give create database schools. Now verify again \L. See, new database is there and this is the owner of the database. Okay, now switch to this new database and create a table. \C or \count is the command used to switch to database. See, we are now connected to database schools as user this. Okay, so let us create a table. it is typo. Let us verify. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these 3 rows. If you want only, but star means it retrieved all column values. If you want only particular columns, then give like this. Okay. Now we will create a user by running the command create user, then provide username, then provide the password. Now verify users. See, we have created a user. Now exit from this PSQL client by using the command \q. Now connect to PostgreSQL with this new user. -capsu James -d. Then provide the database name. Then -h. H means host, localhost. Hit enter. We have successfully connected with the user James. Let us verify the current user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected the user James. Now create a table. Create table. See, permission denied for the schema public. Why? Because this user doesn't have the permissions on this database. So we have to grant privileges to this user on this database. There is a video in the video description how to grant and revoke permission to a user in PostgreSQL. You can go through it and you can practice and you can grant the privileges. Okay. To exit, use the \q and hit enter. Now exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL on Oracle Linux 9. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status again. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL services stopped 8 seconds ago. We took it. Now also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So exit from this Postgres user, then start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL, hit enter. Now verify the status again. See, PostgreSQL server is started. We took it, Ctrl A. Now we will see how to restart PostgreSQL server on Oracle Linux. Sudo systemctl status restart PostgreSQL, hit enter. Now we will see how to find config files, log directory and data directories. Connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL show config underscore file. This file contains, see, this is the config file which contains PostgreSQL server configuration information, and another file is HBA file which contains host based authentication information. See, pg_hba.conf is the file, and to find the log directory, show log underscore directory. Next, data directory. See, this is the data directory. Okay, until now we have performed actions by using PSQL client, which is command line client tool. \q exit. We can connect to PostgreSQL by using PgAdmin and db1. There is a link in the video description to install PgAdmin 4 on Oracle Linux, or simply you can go to pgadmin.org then click on download, then click on RPM. Then if you scroll down, see here we have the commands to install PgAdmin for, or simply you can go through the video description and follow the steps to install PgAdmin on Oracle Linux 9.5. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install PostgreSQL 17.2 on Oracle Linux 9 versions. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.